In Camtasia, transitions serve as visual effects that enhance the flow between two clips or elements, lending a more polished appearance to your video. To add transitions, simply navigate to the Transitions tab in the toolbar. You'll discover a variety of styles available, including fades, wipes, and slides. To apply a transition, drag your desired effect and drop it between two media clips on the timeline, or at the beginning or end of a clip to create an entrance or exit effect. Click the play button on the timeline to preview the transition. This will allow you to assess whether the timing and style align well with your content. After applying a transition, click on it in the timeline and adjust its length by dragging the edges. This will allow you to make it shorter or longer, which will in turn affect the transition speed. To preview how the transition appears now, again, click the play button on the timeline for a preview. In the Properties panel, you can further customize aspects of the transitions, such as direction and style. Use transitions thoughtfully to emphasize significant changes in your video, such as the shift from an introduction to the main content. Softer transitions, like fades, can facilitate smoother and less distracting shifts between related clips. To maintain a cohesive aesthetic, select a few transitions and apply them consistently throughout your video. Experimenting with various transitions will help you determine the style that best complements your project. Animations in Camtasia enable you to incorporate movement and visual dynamics into your video elements, enhancing viewer engagement. The software provides various animations for zooming, panning, rotating, and moving objects across the screen. These preset animations apply automatic entrance, exit, and ongoing effects to objects like text or images. To add an animation, navigate to the Animations tab and select your animation. To preview your animations, move to the play button, press play. For actions like zooming or panning, simply drag an animation into a media item in the timeline. Once an animation is applied, Camtasia generates keyframes that denote the starting and ending points of the animation within the timeline. You can modify the element's position, scale, or rotation by clicking on a keyframe. Additionally, you can reposition keyframes along the timeline to adjust the animation's timing. Fine-tune the movement, scale, rotation, and opacity by selecting the animated object and modifying the options in the Properties panel. Zoom and pan animations effectively direct viewers' attention to specific screen areas, such as emphasizing text or highlighting a process. For a cohesive aesthetic, it's advisable to maintain similar animation styles throughout your video. Employ slower, subtler animations for instructional content, while faster, more dynamic animations can be effective for marketing or promotional purposes. Overall, animations can improve your video's professionalism, guiding viewers' focus and fostering a smooth visual flow.